What if I told you there's a camera you can literally drop on rocks, take underwater without a housing, freeze in the snow, and still trust to capture amazing photos? This is the Olympus Tough TG-6. And even years after its release, people still swear by it. But is it actually worth buying today, especially when smartphones have gotten so good? After diving into real-world testing and expert reviews, here's what you really need to know. Olympus Tough TG-6 product overview. So what exactly are we looking at? The Olympus Tough TG-6 is a rugged compact camera designed for people who spend more time outdoors than indoors. Originally released in 2019 under the Olympus brand, now OM system, it's built for hikers, divers, campers, climbers, travelers, and anyone who doesn't want to worry about destroying an expensive camera. Unlike a smartphone, this camera is engineered to survive punishment. It's waterproof down to 50 feet without an external housing, shockproof from over 7 feet, crushproof up to 220 pounds, freezeproof to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and dustproof as well. Olympus Tough TG-6 performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Here's the thing. The TG-6 isn't trying to compete with flagship mirrorless cameras. Instead, it focuses on reliability. Its 12-megapixel sensor may sound modest compared to today's smartphones, but Olympus paired it with a bright f2.0 lens and excellent image processing. In daylight, photos look colorful, sharp, and surprisingly detailed. The camera especially shines outdoors, where the colors of oceans, forests, and mountains really pop. Autofocus is generally quick for still photography, although it isn't built for tracking fast-moving wildlife or professional sports. One of the biggest surprises is just how useful the dedicated shooting modes are. Whether you're underwater, photographing snow, or shooting at night, the camera automatically adjusts settings without forcing beginners to dive into complicated menus. Video quality is solid too. You get crisp 4K recording at 30 frames per second and Full HD up to 120 FPS for slow-motion footage. Image stabilization helps smooth out handheld shots while hiking or walking, although it won't completely replace a gimbal. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually make this camera special. First is the incredible rugged construction. You don't have to baby this camera. Accidentally drop it? No panic. Take it kayaking? No waterproof case required. That kind of confidence completely changes how you use a camera. Next is Microscope Mode. And honestly, this might be my favorite feature. It allows you to focus incredibly close to tiny subjects like insects, flowers, jewelry, or textures that most cameras simply can't capture. The amount of detail you can get is genuinely impressive. Then there's the underwater photography system. Olympus has years of experience building cameras for divers, and it shows. Dedicated underwater white balance settings help produce more natural-looking colors beneath the surface, something smartphones often struggle with. Finally, GPS, compass, thermometer, and altitude logging make it especially useful for outdoor adventurers who want location data attached to every image. Design and build. Aesthetically, the TG-6 isn't trying to look fancy. Instead, everything about its design screams durability. The body feels incredibly solid, with thick protective construction, textured grips, and large physical buttons that are surprisingly easy to use, even while wearing gloves or underwater. The weather-sealed battery and memory card compartment locks securely, giving you confidence around water and sand. Sure, it's chunkier than a smartphone and definitely not as sleek as premium compact cameras. But that's exactly the point. This is a tool designed for adventure, not for sitting safely inside a camera bag. Camera performance. Image quality is where expectations matter. In bright conditions, the TG-6 delivers vibrant colors with Olympus' signature punchy look. Dynamic range is respectable, and JPEG processing produces images that are ready to share straight from the camera. Low-light performance is more limited due to its relatively small sensor. Noise becomes noticeable as ISO increases, and smartphones using computational photography can sometimes produce cleaner nighttime images. But underwater, that's where the TG-6 completely changes the game. Pros: fantastic macro photography with Microscope Mode, RAW support, and useful adventure tracking features. Reliable physical controls in challenging environments. Cons: battery life is decent, but not exceptional. Smartphone cameras can outperform it in everyday situations. Final verdict. So, who is the Olympus Tough TG-6 really for? If you're a diver, hiker, kayaker, camper, traveler, or outdoor adventurer, this is still one of the best rugged cameras you can buy. The combination of durability, underwater capability, macro photography, and dependable performance makes it incredibly unique. Now, if most of your photography happens around town, indoors, or for social media, your flagship smartphone may actually produce better everyday images with less effort. But here's the key difference. Your phone stays safely in your pocket when conditions get rough.